Good morning.
Good morning. We wanted to do a before picture. We're doing our first hike in the Sinks Canyon State Park. What's the name of the hike we're doing?
We're going up to the, I believe it's the Popo Agie Falls. It's a trail. Oh, it's about 1.5 miles out, and it'll take us to some falls.
We're climbing about how
About 600 feet.
Yeah.
Elevation gain. It's not bad, I don't think. We'll find out.
It's a little breezy and chilly right now, but we're getting started later than we wanted to, but it's still early, but it's gonna get hot. So
it's gonna get hot, yes. This chill is gonna bake off real quick.
Real fast. But we love you guys.
Bye. Here we are at the start of the trail, the Popo Agie Falls Trail. That AGIE is pronounced Shua. And we've got horse droppings all over the place.
You call it horse droppings, I call it horse.
Horse what? Yeah, we are on a wonderful hike today.
It's a gorgeous day.
Beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful scenery, gorgeous river. We are at the falls, and it is gorgeous. So we just stopped for a little break, a little snack, some water, rest the legs, and we're going to be heading back. It is about 10 minutes to 11 in the morning, and it's been a glorious day.
Lots of fun. Seen a lot of families out here hiking, and down the trail there is a, what's it called? Swimming hole?
They
rock?
call it slide rock.
Slide rock.
And what it is, it's a waterfall down a smooth, large boulder, and you can slide off it into a deep pool.
Yes, you get dropped off into that pool.
And I got some I got some video of a kid doing that.
It was so cool.
It was. I wasn't going to do it because that water is too cold. What a beautiful day.
Gorgeous.
We just finished an awesome hike.
It was beautiful.
We just finished the Popo Agie Falls Trail just outside of Lander, Wyoming in the Sinks Canyon State Park.
Right.
What a beautiful hike. All the way up and down that river. Just beautiful. And the falls were gorgeous.
The air was wonderful. The smells were wonderful. Lots of wildflowers. It was beautiful.
We had a great time. We hope you enjoy the video. So until next time.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye to the Popo Agie River. We enjoyed the day. It's time to hydrate. We're at the end of the hike. It's time to hydrate. Drink up. Hey, what do you think about my new shades? I was thinking about putting on a different style.
I like them.
How about that?
Purple is your color. Purple
Yeah, how
and
about
white.
that?
Harvest Host.
I got these from a happy hour from Harvest Host down in Rock Springs at the Escape Aid 2021. They were having a happy hour down there. So
One of
we'll pick
many
these
happy
up.
hours that we experienced.
Yeah, that was a great time.
We had a good time. Met some really neat people.
Yeah, it's most definitely. So I'm gonna try these out. I'm usually wearing my Ray-Bans because they're prescription. These aren't. So what the heck? We'll see.